This project is related to water quality monitoring. Let's find out what was the motivation behind this project. So the motivation for doing this project was primarily an interest in undertaking a challenging project for the general welfare. So nowadays, water is considered as one of the most scarce natural resource on our planet. It is used widely in different areas. For the domestic use, it is used for drinking water, washing clothes, and many other ways. So it is mostly the lifeline of all humankind and living things. If agriculture sector is concerned, it is used for irrigation. According to the latest assessment by the National Institute for Transforming India, NITI, nearly 70% of all countries' fresh water in the ground or on the surface is contaminated. India is more dependent on water pumped from aquifers than any other nation. Drought and wasteful pumping is drying up aquifers. Government studies show at least a third of India's groundwater reserves are being pumped as at much faster rate than they are being recharged by rainfall. So when groundwater got scarce, the river becomes their lifeline. Single water supply that is still plentiful, though, is a stream of treated and untreated municipal and industrial wastewater. It is well documented in scientific literature that water used for irrigation containing heavy metal is a crucial pathway for the toxic chemicals to enter food supply chain and be absorbed by consumer. Use of wasteful water or contaminated water causes several health issues to farmer as well and gradually pollute the food chain. Quality of water is not checked efficiently whether it is used for drinking or irrigation. Increasing water pollution demand more advanced method in environmental monitoring system, particularly in the field of water quality monitoring. Due to lack of technical know-how and huge amount in initial investment, water analysis are usually done through conventional procedure, which are not only expensive and laborious, but also lack capabilities for real-time data acquisition, analysis, and fast dissemination of gathered information, which are crucial and essential for effective water quality monitoring endeavor. So water quality is very much essential for proper crop production. Alkalinity and pH are the two important factors in determining the suitability of water for irrigation plants. Even for mixing some of the pesticides, floral preservatives, and growth regulators, pH of the water need to be monitored before. Here comes the real-time water quality monitoring system into play. So which uses IoT capabilities to monitor the water quality at various levels in the water distribution channel. This system reduces the complexity and increases the performance by collecting the data of water parameters like temperature, CO2, pH, salinity, and many others like that. So this system is having several modules. One such is Wi-Fi. So the Wi-Fi module used here is ESP8266. It follows TCP/IP stack and is cost efficient. Here Node-RED is used as a programming tool for wiring together hardware devices, APIs, and online services. Here, IBM Services Cloud are also used as a solution. So IBM Cloudent is a distributed database that is optimized for handling heavy workload. Similarly, IBM Watson IoT platform is a managed cloud-hosted service designed to derive value from IoT devices. So here, mainly three important modules are there in the IBM Cloud. That is the Node-RED Cloud Foundry application. Second, the IoT platform service instance and Cloudent DB instance. Now let's see what is the data flow through the system. So it's like when device board is switched on, device get into activated state and will detect the water parameters of individual sensors. Messages device will send MQTT messages to IBM Watson IoT platform. Here, Node-RED performs three different tasks. First is it sends data, sensor data to the Cloudent database to store it. Secondly, it monitors the real-time data that is coming from the device through IBM IoT platform. Third, it shows the data stored in the Cloudent as a Cloudent object for data analytics. To see the real monitoring, real working application, please see the next videos. Thank you.